Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. Let's say you have a sample data table with product, region, and sales columns. Start by clicking and dragging to select your entire dataset. Then, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Pivot Table. In the pop-up that appears, choose whether you want the pivot table in a new sheet or existing sheet. Let's select a new sheet, then click Create. A new sheet will open with the pivot table editor on the right. To analyze your data, you can choose between preset table formats or manually add categories. For example, if you want to present the sum of sales for each product, you can click a suggested preset if present. To do this manually, click Add next to Rows to select a row label like Product, and click Add next to Values to select a value like Sales. Google Sheets will automatically summarize and total the data. You can also use columns and filters to further analyze your table. So, that is how you create a pivot table in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.